and welcome to Always Dolls. We are so close to 100 subscribers and we'd like to ask for your help by subscribing and sharing our channel so that we can make this milestone. As a thank you, we will bring a 2020 Dollhouse tour. But for now, here's a sneak peek. On the first level, we have a bakery, a pantry, and our handmade diner for Mary Ellen. On the second level, we have the unicorn bedroom, the living area, and the sweets themed bedroom. Going to the top floor, we have the doll kitchen, dining room, and our beach-themed bedroom. Together, we can reach 100 subscribers, maybe even more. A big thank you in advance. Bye!